Imagine a world where everyone has access to quality education, healthcare, safe housing, and fair working conditions. Economic, social, and cultural rights are designed to make this vision a reality, ensuring well-being, dignity, and equal opportunities for all. The right to education is one of the most fundamental social rights. It provides individuals with the knowledge and skills to build a better future for themselves and their communities. Education is the foundation of a thriving society. When people have access to quality education, they can break free from cycles of poverty and contribute positively to their communities. Healthcare is not a luxury, it is a basic human right. Everyone, regardless of their economic background, deserves access to medical care to lead healthy and fulfilling lives. Without healthcare, people cannot reach their full potential. Ensuring that everyone has access to medical services creates healthier communities and stronger economies. The right to housing is essential for safety, dignity, and stability. A secure home provides a foundation for families to thrive, yet millions around the world still struggle with homelessness and inadequate housing. Housing rights advocate. Housing is more than a roof over one's head. It is a place of safety, a foundation for growth, and a fundamental right that every person deserves. Labor rights protect workers from exploitation, ensuring fair wages, safe working conditions, and the right to organize. These rights are essential for creating a just and productive society. Labor rights activist. When workers' rights are respected, it benefits everyone. Fair treatment at work creates a motivated, productive workforce and supports economic growth. Cultural rights allow individuals to celebrate their heritage, traditions, and beliefs. Participating in cultural life strengthens community bonds and enriches our shared human experience. Cultural rights protect the identity and diversity of communities. When people can freely express their cultural heritage, it leads to a richer, more inclusive society. Social Security provides individuals with support in times of need, whether due to illness, unemployment, or old age. It is a safety net that upholds dignity and security for everyone. Economic, social, and cultural rights lay the groundwork for a life of dignity, equality, and opportunity. They are not privileges, but essential rights that enable all individuals to live meaningful and fulfilling lives. Genocide, torture, and forced disappearances leave scars on communities and entire nations. Human rights violations, a call for global action and accountability. The future of human rights depends on all of us. By staying informed, speaking out, and supporting organizations that fight for justice, we can create a world that respects the rights and dignity of every individual. Remember, human rights begin with you. Together, let's be the change.